This 3-bedroom/2-bath home is in need of repairs and cleaning. It is being sold as is and no repairs will be made. There will be no power on for inspections. All showings need to be during the day for safety reasons. The house has a kitchen with lots of cabinets, breakfast bar, breakfast nook and dining room. There is a large living room with gas fireplace. 2 bedrooms, one was used as an office. The master bedroom has a private tile bath. There is an additional bath by the other bedrooms. There is a family room with double door. Full basement is poured concrete using IBS styrofoam walls. LP gas furnace, not sure if it works. Gas water heater was frozen. Electric panel has had water running into it and the origin is not known. The electric is off and must stay off. There is a well and the depth is unknown. There is a 2,000-gallon holding tank, the condition is unknown. There is a 26 by 32 detached garage with addition and a 54 by 70 metal building with dirt floor. Also a gazebo, sauna building and storage.